Good morning, students. Today we will start the second chapter of mathematics angles. So, today's learning objectives are zero angle, acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, reflex angle, and the complete angle. Now, let us start with the zero angle. Take a two sticks. Take a two sticks and put one upon the other. Put one upon the other. Okay, put one upon the other. There is no change in their position. In this position, the angle between the sticks is called a zero angle. Okay, the angle between the sticks is called the zero angle, and the measure of the zero angle is written as the 0 degree. Okay. Angle between the sticks is called a zero angle, and the measure of the zero angle is written as 0 degree. Okay. Now next, what is acute angle? Acute angle. Take a two sticks. Take a two sticks. Put a one stick in a like this, and second stick is a like this. Then angle between these two sticks. Then angle between these two sticks is less than 90 degree and greater than 0 degree. Then that angle is called an acute angle. Okay, so acute angle is greater than 0 degree and less than 90 degree. Okay, so figure is like this. Like this. Okay. Now third is, let us discuss third, right angle. Right angle. Okay, take a two sticks. Take a two sticks and put one stick as it is, and second stick is a like this. Then measure the angle between two sticks. Okay, so between these two sticks the angle is of 90 degree, then that angle is called as a right angle and it is denoted by 90 degree. So it is a right angle. So angle this is 90 degree and figure is like this. This angle is of 90 degree, that is a right angle. Now next is obtuse angle. What is obtuse angle? So let us see. Obtuse angle. Take us two sticks. Okay, take us two sticks. Place one is like this and second is move in a clockwise direction towards this side and measure the angle between these two sticks. So that angle is greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree is called as the obtuse angle. So diagram is like this. Angle greater than 90 degree and greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. That angle is called an obtuse angle. Now next is the straight angle. Straight angle. Straight angle. Okay, take a two sticks. Okay, place is one like this, same as first, and next move this from this to this side. They makes a these two sticks makes a straight line. Then measure an angle between these two sticks. They form a angle of 180 degree. That angle is called a straight angle. Like this, straight angle. The straight angle measure is a straight angle measure is 180 degree. Okay, now next is the reflex angle. Reflex angle. Take a two sticks. Now we see this is a straight line, that is a straight angle. Okay, now move the second stick along clockwise direction like this, greater than 180 degree. Okay, greater than, here is the 180 degree, so we move this side, okay, clockwise direction. So in this figure, this angle is called an reflex angle. So reflex angle is a greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. Figure is like this. Sorry. They make an angle like this. Okay. Here to here, that is greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. Now next is the here reflex angle is greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. Okay, now we discuss the complete angle. We will discuss complete angle. Okay, take a two sticks. Okay, take a two sticks. We see the reflex angle. Okay, reflex angle is like this. This is our reflex angle. Now move the second stick like this, and put on that stick. So it completes a one round and come back to its original position. Thus it completing the 360 degree, and an angle made in this way is called a complete angle, and the measure of the complete angle is a 360 degree. Measure of the complete angle is the 360 degree. Measure of complete angle is 360 degree. Okay, so in this lecture, what topic we have covered? What is zero angle? What is acute angle? Right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, reflex angle, and complete angle. Okay, so we stop here.